car repair and maintenance and EDGEvantage. Benjamin and James are fresh hires at EDGEvantage. Mandy is an experienced trainer who is conducting the orientation program for the new recruits. She begins the orientation explaining the specialization portfolio of EDGEvantage as a reliable dealer alternative workshop offering repair and maintenance services for premium and luxury cars like Volvo, Jaguar, Land Rover, Range Rover, Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz and Porsche. She explains that all customers must be greeted politely and a clear understanding of their needs and expectations must be obtained. Once the customer requirements are ascertained, detailed service and parts planning should be conducted to ensure parts availability and allocate the necessary resources. Next, the appointment should be scheduled and the customers must be informed about the time and cost estimate. When the car is dropped at the workshop, proper verification of the customer's requirements is required to meet their expectations. Also, all the necessary documentation such as the quotation, car information, work order, and car pickup appointment is done at this stage. Mandy points out that to ensure car repairs are done right at the first time within the committed turnaround time, it's important to verify the customer concerns, diagnose the problems, assign work to the competent technician, and assist them with appropriate parts. She also said that the customer must be informed immediately about any additional work to be performed, and technicians must check the quality of the work before the customer arrives. At the time of car delivery, the invoice and the details of repair and services must be explained. As a value add, car wash must be done before the delivery of the car. Post-delivery protocol is to obtain the customer feedback on the services and utilize the customer's inputs for continual improvement. Benjamin and James feel proud to be part of EDGEvantage and look forward to delivering exceptional customer service. EDGEvantage, your reliable and trusted workshop for premium and luxury car brands in Singapore. Feel free to call us now.